Kuringana na kamicina wa kaunti ya Narok Evans Achoki, ene kandarathi mahetwo ihinda ria mieri itandatu makorwo marikitie guthondeka barabara ya Mau Narok guthii Kisiriri, akiuga maya gutunyukithio wira makorwo matarikitie kwa ihinda riria riagiriire.
So we have agreed that in the next 2 months we are going to visit again to see the progress the contractor has made, so that to deliver this road within the time that it is stipulated.
Achoki augite gugikinyiria muthia-ini wa mweri wa gatatu mwaka turorete, barabara icio ibatie gukorwo irikite guthondekwo, na kuoguo no nginyagia ene kandarathi merutanirie na magerie guteng'erania na mahinda.
All the contractors that have been awarded contracts to carry out specific projects that are meant to benefit the wananchi of this country.
Ona kuhana uguo uria urugamireire kandarathi ya waki uyu Pengwang nieteteire na kuga muhinga munene ukoretwo ari mbura iria ikoretwo ikirugamia mihango ya waki uyu, akiranira kurikia barabara kwa ihinda riria riheanitwo.
This road was upgraded to class B. Compare the class of the road, there are some additional work, and also there was 2 appraisal which was done. Comparing to the initial quantity, almost 30% of earthwork has been increased.
Kurika kwa waki uyu gugukorwo gukihingura matura kaunti-ini ino, undu uria uguteithiriria gukura gwa kaunti na njira nene, gukirikana kilomita 20 ni irikite na iria itigaire ni 14.
We are working with the contractors team to ensure that the wananchi get the value for money, and they start enjoying this road at the soonest time possible.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV mohoro gitau, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.